Let's try something else. On December 14th of 2025, I found myself at control point S069 on Union Pacific's Portland subdivision. This is known as the small town of Mosier, Oregon, and the west end of the siding within it. Having been recently alerted by a friend of mine that the UP was planning on extending the double track through the area in the new year, I took the evening to try and catch some trains past the vintage Searchlight signals guarding the west end of the siding. The Searchlight signals were popularized through the mid-20th century. They are built with a single light source and movable colored lenses that can show red, yellow, or green through a one narrow searchlight beam. Inside the housing, a mechanism rotates colored lenses in front of the light, projecting the proper indication down the track. While ingenious for its time, this mechanical complexity also made them harder to maintain than today's modern solid-state signals. While waiting for activity on the UP, a BNSF manifest train approaches on the Washington side of the river on the Fallbridge subdivision. I was able to just barely catch it from atop a small hill high enough to see over I-84. After a little more waiting, the searchlights came to life. The signal facing towards me for eastbound traffic displayed both aspects as red, meaning a westbound was on its way. Not too long after, the headlight of a UP intermodal came around the corner. This would be the only train I would catch that night, as I had an hour-and-a-half drive back home. I would, however, catch an eastbound unit grain train a few days later on the 27th. after this train passed, my girlfriend and I would head to Hood River, Oregon to attend a family dinner and leave the searchlights behind. While their future looks grim, hopefully these signals will be saved by someone for future generations. Arriving in Hood River with some time to kill, we caught this eastbound UP intermodal, and then Mount Hood Railroad's Polar Express excursion. One thing I do want to point out is how odd the Mount Hood units look paired nose to nose like this. It's definitely weird. Not my thing. Thanks for watching. This is something new I've been wanting to try out for a while, so leave a like and a comment if you like this commentary style of video. I have more videos like this planned for the future, with something big coming up pretty soon. That's all for now.